Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Okay, picture this. It's March 2026, and the world's most advanced computers are failing. But the data is clean, the code is secure, the errors are, well, physically impossible. So, this begs a terrifying question. What if the problem isn't the software, but reality itself? The cause, it turns out, is a wild new kind of hack, a complete game changer.
See, the key difference here is the target. Classical attacks go after the training data. Quantum attacks, they just bypass the data and corrupt the physical computation itself.
To really get this, we've got to look at the qubit. A qubit isn't just on or off. Because of superposition, it's kind of both at the same time.
And these probabilities, well, that's the weak spot. That's the lever the attackers pull.
They just nudge these values a tiny bit, making the computer physically report a lie.
So what does this crime scene actually look like in the sectors that really matter?
In finance, you can create phantom market opportunities, manipulating billions of dollars. And in healthcare, a dangerously wrong diagnosis delivered with 99% confidence. Scary stuff. See, right now, our quantum computers are naturally unstable. They're prone to errors or noise.
And that's the kicker. An attack can be disguised as just a normal hardware glitch.
The quantum hardware itself provides the perfect hiding spot for this invisible threat. This is the new frontier of cybersecurity, where the battlefield is literally the laws of physics. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.